Okay, missing you to death. Here I go. Gonna eat lots of peanut butter. Oops. Okay. Skippy peanut butter. 3 teaspoons full of it. Oh god, this is gonna suck. So maybe just one. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh jeez, I'm gonna choke to death. Do you like it? Ah. Good. Good. Wow. I did not know. That was going to be so hard. I had no idea. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. That's a lot of freaking peanut butter. I'm not gonna lie, you try it now. Seriously, almost choked to death, and it doesn't taste very good. Because Skippy sucks. So yeah. I just got bored and wanted to make a video, so there you go.